Hello, my name is Mitch, and I'm with Acroname, and I'm here at InfoComm 2025. And today we are displaying our USB EXT3c. It is a USB 3 extension technology, and what we're showing here is our ability to do dual role data and switch which side our host devices come to. So if we look up here, we can see we have a Logitech Brio camera and a Yeti microphone that is currently connected to our in-room host PC. And here we're going to simulate a BYOD setup where a customer would come in and bring their computer. And I'm going to go ahead and change that situation, and we're going to move all those devices down to the in-room PC. As we can see, the BYOD machine is now enumerated all the in-room peripherals, the Logitech camera and the Logitech microphone. And when the meeting's over, all you have to do is simply unplug the device, and everything is moved back to the in-room PC to create a seamless one-cable BYOD setup. In addition, this product also supports 100 watts of USB power delivery into the product. We then convert that to PoE++ and send that to the other side where we can output 60 watts of USB PD at 100 meters of cable. In addition, we have a lot of programmable control over our products, and that we can simulate a port on-off cycle or a cable plug and unplug situation. So let's assume we have a microphone that's not behaving properly. You can get a notification to be notified that this mic isn't working correctly, and we can simply toggle the port programmatically. That device is then powered off as if you just unplugged it, and then all we need to do is turn that port back on, and in most cases this will resolve the issue that you're having. If you'd like to find more information about Acroname products, you can visit us at acroname.com. We are located in Boulder, Colorado, and we're looking forward to hearing from you.